Hey beauties! Today I have something super exciting to review. It's a makeup brush washing machine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and let's get started. So this makeup brush washing machine, I had so little expectations of what this could do. I bought it just to try it, to be honest. They are all over TikTok, they're all over Amazon, and I got this one from Shein. By the way, the link will be in my description on where you can get this to buy. Also, if you're buying from Shein, please use my code and you'll get discounts. So now I'm just gonna open up the package and show y'all what come in the box. So this is the cover, or the part where you put your brushes to wash. There's also this brush cleaning mat, and of course the machine itself. There's also a sheet of paper with instructions, which these instructions are also on the box. I'm so excited to see what this can do because this little gadget promises to make one of the most tedious tasks in our beauty routine a breeze. So let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. So I'm gonna plug it in, and it did not come with a brick, so you'll need a brick to plug your machine in. And I'm just gonna plug that in and test it out. Hope y'all keep watching. So I usually use Dawn, but I don't have Dawn at the moment. You can also use like baby shampoo. I'm using the Ajax dishwashing liquid because it cuts grease and grime, and these brushes are really dirty. So according to the instructions, you're supposed to put 4 brushes in, so I'm following that. But as you can see, the brushes are pretty long, so I'm not able to close it because I would have to force them through that silicone cover, and I didn't want to do that, so I just held it in place and turned the machine on. It was not really coming on, and I had to do that a few times. After a few tries, it started working. I was really worried, y'all. I was worried that this was not gonna work. But it started working after a few tries, and then it was just consistent and it was getting the job done. I was quite surprised. As you can see, setting up the machine is pretty straightforward. It's a breeze. You just plug it in, fill it up with water to that max line you're seeing right there, and add a bit of cleanser like shampoo, as I mentioned before, whatever you want to use, and you're ready to go. No guys, look at that water. It's doing something. It's definitely washing the dirt and grime from those brushes. Once the cycle is done, you just take the brushes out to give it a quick rinse. But look at these brushes. I'm not even playing, y'all. Look at these brushes. After one wash, these were really dirty brushes, and look at them, they are so clean. And this is a second wash. I'm gonna put them in this for my second wash because I want them to be really clean. But as you can see in the machine, it is really going. That is gonna get the brushes clean. And I'm so happy for this because it can take so much time and energy to wash your makeup brushes. I had these brushes dirty for a while because I wanted to test out the machine, and I'm glad I did because it really gets these brushes clean. Look at that. So I tested it with a variety of brushes, from foundation brushes to small eyebrow brushes, and it handled all of them pretty well. As you watch the video, you'll see me trying different brushes, and you see that the machine does a pretty good job. I am not disappointed. If anything, it has exceeded my expectations. Here's a close-up of the inside of the machine, and what's going on when you turn it on is just like a mini washing machine. I'm so impressed, guys. Aren't you all impressed? I'm so impressed. If you hate washing your makeup brushes like I do, and the time that it takes to clean them, you need this. Trust me, you won't be sorry. I am really happy I got it, and I don't think I can do without it from now on. Look at that machine go, y'all. Look at that machine go. Now I'm going to take these brushes out and squeeze them to show you just how clean they are. You're not seeing any trace of dirt or water coming out of the brushes. After each wash, I like to just rinse them with clean water and then just lay them out to dry. But this thing really exceeded my expectations. I was not expecting it to work this good. Maybe not to even work at all, but it is doing a pretty good job. Check out the action inside the machine, guys. You can see that it is really going. It's really trying to get these brushes clean. I'm so proud of you, little guy. You are doing a fantastic job of cleaning my brushes. And of course, I'm just going with more and more brushes because I had a lot of brushes to wash. And by the way, I do each set of brushes, I do them twice. I wash them twice because I really want them to be clean. Look in that machine. Look in the machine, y'all. So if you've been seeing this thing blowing up on TikTok, and I know a lot of times people don't trust influencers, because I myself, I was very skeptical of getting this because people kind of like paint things pretty to get you to buy. But I tried this for myself. I wasn't influenced by anyone to buy this. I just know I hate cleaning my makeup brushes, and I tried this for myself and I am not disappointed. So I wanted to try this out with more than 4 brushes like the instructions suggested. So in here I have about 10 or 12 brushes, and I wanted to see how that would work. And guys, to my surprise, I was able to close the machine with these brushes, and it did the same awesome job cleaning these brushes. Look at that. Look at that. What more proof do you need that this machine brush works? And you can see how strong it's moving because I let it go with all those brushes, and you can see that it kept moving them around. For brushes that are too fat, too big to go in the silicone cover, all you gotta do is just hold them in the machine, and look at that, they're clean. Here I'm gonna do another set because these brushes, the way they're made, the tops are so broad, they're not able to go in that silicone cover. So I just held them in the machine and let it do its thing. And voila, look at that, clean brushes in no time. These are all the brushes that I washed with the machine, and it's the first time I'm using it. Like I said, I am really impressed. And I just put these out to dry and spritz them with some alcohol, and that's it. I have all clean brushes. Some are stained from use makeup colors and so forth. So of course, you know, I wanted to try this out with my beauty blenders. I put 3 in there, pour some soap on them, added water, and tried to start the machine, but guess what, guys? It would not start. I was so disappointed. I was wondering what was going on with my machine. See, I tried a few times, it would never start. I tried numerous times off video, it would never start. But what I found is that you have to let the machine rest because it had to be running so many times, washing so many brushes. As you can see from what I showed you, all the brushes that I washed, it needed to rest. The instructions also said you need to turn the machine off, plug it out, and let it sit for a while before starting it. So that's what I did, and it started working again. But to be honest, I don't want to use this to wash my beauty blenders, because looking at that, it's just spinning around in the water, and these things need to be squeezed to get the dirt out. This wasn't really dirty. I just wanted to test to see how it will work, But I don't think I'll be washing my beauty blenders in there because you need to squeeze those things out. So what's the verdict? Would I recommend this machine? Absolutely, especially if you're someone who finds washing brushes by hand to be tedious. You gotta get this. Anyway, thanks for joining me today, beauties. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Also, let me know in the comments if you tried this and how it turned out for you.